Hello guys and welcome to the video. Today I will show you simple Photoshop tricks you didn't know existed. So let's start. First of all, we have the old good eyedropper tool. So what this basically does is allowing you to choose any color you want. Is it one color or maybe more colored merged or combined? Depends on you. Until now we're taught that we are limited to choose only colors from inside Photoshop. But did you know that you can actually choose colors from outside Photoshop? Let me show you. Put Photoshop aside, minimize it, and then while you're on the project, click anywhere on your project, hold your left click and go outside Photoshop. And now you can see that we can choose any color you want. You can see that the color is changing. And let's say we want this color. Let's go back to Photoshop and you can see that we have that color selected. And you can use your color however you want. Pretty cool, huh? Let's go to the next one. Every time you're using Photoshop, you're trying to be precise. You're always zooming in and zooming out to see how your project looks. But what if I tell you there's an easy way to do this with the two windows? In one window, you're going to make your changes, and on the second window, you can see your changes on a full screen. So let me show you. To do that, go to Window, Arrange, and then New Window 4, and you're going to see the name of your project. Click there and a new window will pop up here. But we're still not done. Again, go to Window, Arrange, and then 2 up vertical. And now, on the one screen here is your full project, and on the other one is the project where you are going to make your changes. And every change you make, you're going to see here on your second monitor. So this will speed up your workflow and help you be more faster on working on your projects in Photoshop. And let's go to the third one. And the third trick is about refined edge. So first of all, you need to select any area you want. I'm gonna be fast here. And go select and mask, and a new window will open up and you're gonna make your changes here. But some people didn't like this because you're going in the other window than in the normal window in Photoshop, and they prefer the older version. So I can show you how to do the older version instead of this one. So go cancel, and you have your area selected here. Hold shift, go select, and then select and mask, and you have the old version right away. You have the same window of Photoshop and just new little window popped up here so you can make your changes. And that's it. And there you go, 3 little tricks that will help you speed up your work in Photoshop. If you like this video, consider liking and subscribing because I'm going to continue making videos like this in the future. Until then, peace.